We all desire for clear skin. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about real, long-lasting changes from this to this. But there was a problem. Not all skin types are the same in reality. If you want clear skin, stop doing everything everyone else is doing. First, we want to know our skin type. Is it dry, oily, or you have acne or wrinkles? You only need these 3 steps. First things first, start with cleansing your face to remove impurities and excess oil. It helps to remove toxins and waste. If you have oily and acne skin, use cleanser salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. And if you have oily skin, use hyaluronic acid. Double cleanse at night, even if you don't wear makeup. No matter your skin type, moisturizer is a must. It keep your skin healthy. Moisturize, which is essential for clear skin, especially in summers. Lightweight lotion work well for combo skin. A good moisturizer is lightweight, fragrance-free, non-greasy. Sunscreen is one of the most powerful skincare. Sun damage can lead to dark spots, premature aging, and even breakouts. Aloe vera is fantastic for clear, glowing skin due to rich mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. First, wash properly, then cut into pieces and blend. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water for an instant hydration boost and also benefit for acne and sensitive skin. The perfect skincare routine could never end with just apply products on your face and rinsing them off. While skincare products can certainly help clear and healthy skin, for real change you need the actual formula for glowing skin, which is sleeping at least 8 hours a day, eat rich protein fruits, drinking plenty of water, and exercise regularly. Apply face mask once in a week or twice for brightening and glow. Pro tip: drink plenty of water to stay fresh and glowing. It play very important role in glowing skin. I hope so you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye.